What's up guys, welcome to my channel Prod Unboxing. So today we're quickly gonna be unboxing and setting BOYA BY-M1 clip-on microphone. So right now I'm recording myself through BOYA mic connected to my phone Samsung A7, just to let you know the quality of this product. Let us take the microphone from its leather bag and try to connect all its components together so that it would be ready to operate. So here is the microphone itself. As you can see how small it is. Here we got the cloth clip, so we're gonna take the microphone and insert it into the plastic loop so that it will be attached well. Let us take the foam windscreen for the microphone so that we can install it. So as you can see, it fits easily. Now we're going to go ahead and open the power pack to install our battery. And of course, make sure you install it with the right polarities. If you're using the microphone with a smartphone, then no need for you to install the battery. This is where we're gonna place the battery. So I'm going to slide it with the plus and minus oriented as indicated on the power pack. Finally, I'm going to screw the two parts of the power pack back on. And of course, if you have a regular camera, then you need to switch the bottom to the top.